So this is our Flutter web application, and over here, if I'm going to go ahead and type in my address, which is my account, let's see what's happened over here, and we'll see how to address this issue. Now I'm gonna hit login, and here we'll see that okay, URL is this one, and then here it says client exceptions. So it looks like this actually is not going to work, even though actually my backend is running. If you go and check, actually my backend is up and running over here. But the problem is you just can't log in. You can try it again, it's not going to work. The reason is because here we are on Flutter web application. So if you are on web application, this address doesn't work. For web application, you might need to use this one, which is called localhost. So localhost for web applications or browsers, and 10.0.22, that's for mobile applications for Android. So now this time, if we're going to go ahead and use this, hopefully we'll see that we're able to log in, but it looks like it didn't take effect. So I'm going to refresh my browser and the whole application. So now let us go ahead and log in. And then here we see we go ahead and able to log in. So make sure that if you are on localhost, you set this address correctly.